I want to welcome all Brady Trucking employees to this brief presentation on your benefits package for 2016. Brady Trucking was started by Larry Brady in 1980 and is currently one of the fastest growing trucking companies. Congratulations on choosing to work for a hard-working team committed to excellent client service. My name is Blake Isaac and our company is RBI Benefits. We've been fortunate to be the employee benefits consultants for Brady Trucking for nearly 10 years now. In our profession, we work with all types of businesses and business owners, and I can tell you that Brady Trucking is one of the very best when it comes to providing access to quality benefits for the employees. And they pay a very generous portion of your benefits package. With that, let's talk about the benefits offered to you as a valued employee at Brady Trucking. If you enroll in the medical insurance plan currently administered by Cigna, you'll receive a very useful benefit, 100% paid by Brady Trucking. It's called Teladoc. Teladoc makes going to the doctor very easy. Additionally, it costs you nothing. Anytime, 24/7, 365, you can call a doctor and get medical help by phone or online. There are no limits to how many times you can use this benefit. If you've enrolled your spouse or dependents, they are also able to access this benefit. The doctor you talk with can prescribe basic medications for you over the phone and have them sent to the pharmacy of your choice. Call Teladoc, register, and activate your benefit before you need it or to use it. Then when you need it, you'll be all set and ready to go. In this slide, let's talk about your health insurance. Currently, Brady utilizes the service of Cigna, one of the largest health insurers in the country. The company pays 70% of the cost of health insurance for you as an employee. Spouses or dependents enrolled also get 70% of the cost covered by Brady. This represents a strong commitment by the company to pay a very generous amount as a truly valuable benefit for employees. The Brady plan also allows you to establish a health savings account, commonly referred to as an HSA. To enroll in health insurance, the company requires you agree to contribute $40 a month into your HSA. The company will match your $40 per month with another $40 that they will deposit into your HSA account. If you enroll with a spouse or dependents, Brady will match your monthly deposit with even more than the $40 per month. Brady uses a qualified high-deductible health plan to keep down the outrageously high cost of health insurance. It works very well as you pay less as an employee and your out-of-pocket maximums are much less than the Obamacare plans that are on the marketplace. Here's a quick summary of your benefits on this plan. You have a $3,000 deductible if you enroll only yourself as an employee on the plan. However, if you reach that deductible in a given calendar year, the company will deposit $1,500 into your HSA account. You have a $9,000 deductible if you enroll as an employee with one or more dependents on the plan. However, if you reach that deductible in a given calendar year, the company will deposit $4,500 into your HSA account. Please note that one person in the family cannot pay more than $6,850 maximum out of pocket. Once the deductible has been met, Cigna pays 100% of everything else in that calendar year. Keep in mind that all preventive is covered 100% and you get discounts of 35 to 45% if you get your services from in-network doctors, hospitals, clinics, etc. So what is an HSA account? An HSA is a health savings account. It's a tax-free savings account that works with a qualified health plan to help you pay for your insurance deductible and qualified out-of-pocket medical expenses. You take the money you would have paid for higher health insurance premiums and use it to pay qualified medical expenses or save it and let it grow from year to year. It's not a use or lose type account. It's your money and the balance remaining at the end of the year rolls to the next year. If you leave Brady Trucking, the account goes with you. You'll be charged an account administration fee of $3.95 per month. However, once the balance of your account reaches $2,500 or more, the $3.95 monthly fee is not charged. Let's talk about the Brady HSA Builder benefit. It's an awesome way that Brady shows it cares and it's concerned for you as a member of their team. This slide gives information that applies to the employees that enroll in medical insurance without spouses or dependents. An employee who reaches the $3,000 deductible in a calendar year can get a contribution directly from Brady Trucking to their HSA account in the amount of $1,500. The employee must show Brady Trucking a statement from Cigna to show that the $3,000 deductible has been met. Then, upon company approval, the deposit will be made into the employee's HSA account. This is again the HSA Builder benefit account program. These next two slides give information that apply to the employees that enroll in medical insurance with a spouse and or with dependents. The entire family deductible is $9,000. Since it is a financial hardship for most employees to be required to reach a $9,000 deductible before Brady provides any reimbursement, the company will make contributions to your HSA as you exceed deductible levels of $3,000 and $6,000 on your way to meeting the $9,000 deductible. For example, an employee who reaches $3,000 of their $9,000 deductible in a calendar year can get a contribution directly from Brady Trucking to their HSA account in the amount of $1,500. An employee who reaches the $6,000 mark toward their $9,000 deductible in a calendar year can get an additional contribution directly from Brady Trucking to their HSA account in the amount of another $1,500. And finally, an employee who reaches the full $9,000 deductible in a calendar year will get a final contribution directly from Brady Trucking to their HSA account in the amount of another $1,500. In summary, even though you have a $9,000 deductible, your total risk exposure is $4,500 out of pocket as a family. The typical plan in this new era of Obamacare has a family maximum out-of-pocket risk of $12,000 to $13,000. Once again, employees must show Brady Trucking a statement from Cigna to show that the $3,000, $6,000, and $9,000 deductible marks have been reached. Then, upon company approval, the deposits will be made into the employee's HSA account. Now let's move to dental insurance. Dental insurance is a very popular employee benefit. Brady Trucking provides an outstanding dental plan through Cigna. Like the health insurance plan, the company pays 70% of the dental plan no matter how you enroll. Here's a quick summary of the benefits of the Cigna dental plan. You get $1,000 that can be paid in benefit per calendar year per member enrolled. The preventive and diagnostic checkups, which include exam, cleanings, fluorides, sealants, x-rays, etc., are covered at 100%. Basic care is covered at 80%, and that includes things such as fillings, extractions, and so forth. Major care is covered at 50%. That includes crowns, dentures, and bridges. There is no waiting period for any of these services. You get a $1,000 orthodontia benefit for your dependent children enrolled up to age 19. And unique to this plan, you also have implant coverage to $1,000 after a deductible has been met. Speaking of deductibles, they do not apply to preventive and diagnostic coverage. They only apply to basic, major, and implants, and they are $50 per individual up to $150 per family per calendar year. And since many dentists are out of network in some of the areas Brady Trucking operates, this plan pays at the 95th percentile of usual and customary average prices. So it's a great benefit, even if you go out of network. Vision insurance is an inexpensive but valuable benefit. Brady Trucking provides an excellent vision plan through Cigna. Like the health and dental insurance plans, the company pays 70% of the vision plan no matter how you enroll. A brief summary of the vision benefits our frequency of exams, lenses, frames, and contacts is every 12 months. So you can get an exam every 12 months, new lenses, new frames every 12 months. Your exam copay is $10. Your eyeglass lenses copay is $20. You get contact lenses, an allowance of $130 free, and you would pay anything after $130. The frame retail allowance is up to $130 as well. And on these brief benefit summaries that we're going over, please consult your more comprehensive benefit summary that you can get from your HR department there at Brady Trucking for a more complete list. New to the Brady Trucking benefit package this year, we're excited to announce, is group life insurance. Brady pays the premium to provide every full-time eligible employee with $10,000 in life insurance and $10,000 in accidental death insurance. Again, this is company paid, and I'll go over some of the highlights of this. The accidental death benefits are if the death occurs due to an accident, you would get $20,000 instead of the $10,000. There are also dismemberment benefits for the loss of a limb or a digit. Those are fixed amount of benefits. There's identity theft assistance with this, will preparation and funeral planning services, and many other benefits, including expatriation, unlimited medical evacuation if you're traveling and a death occurs in another country or another region and the body needs to be transported. So again, this is a very nice benefit, company paid by Brady Trucking. In addition to the $10,000 life insurance policy paid for and provided by Brady Trucking, you can purchase more life insurance. If you're a new hire enrolling in benefits for the first time, you can choose a life insurance amount of $25,000, $50,000, up to a maximum of $100,000. If you enroll as a new hire, there will be no testing or underwriting. You'll be issued the life insurance no matter what your health or medical condition is. If you want more than $100,000, you can get up to $500,000 in coverage, but over $100,000 there would need to be questions, testing, and some underwriting. Now, if you wait to enroll at future open enrollments, you can still get the life insurance, but testing and underwriting will be required. You can also cover spouses for $25,000 if you get at least $50,000 on yourself as the employee, and you can cover children with either $5,000 or $10,000 per child at a very low monthly amount, $1.25 per month for $5,000 and $2.50 for $10,000. And that amount is not per child, but it's no matter how many children you have. These life insurance rates are offered to you as lowered group rates, and if you leave Brady Trucking, you can keep your policy and you will not be charged a higher premium. Here's a life insurance rate table for non-tobacco users. As an example, a 35-year-old employee can get a $100,000 life policy for $9.61 per paycheck. Keep in mind that the rate's guaranteed for 10 years. You will lock in the rate for 10 years. It will not increase as you get older. At the end of the 10-year term, you can renew the policy for another term for a little higher premium. Here's a life insurance rate table for tobacco users. As an example, a 35-year-old employee can get a $100,000 life policy for $15.07 per paycheck. Remember, there's no testing or underwriting required to get this life insurance if you enroll in it as a new hire. All new employees must complete this election form and other required enrollment paperwork. If you don't complete the paperwork within 60 days of your hire date, you'll not be eligible for coverage until the next open enrollment. The next open enrollment will take place in November of 2016 for an effective date of January 1, 2017. Please be thorough and write legibly on all enrollment documents. We want to get your elections and personal information input correctly. The last slide shows a picture of the Brady Trucking Custom Benefits website. You'll have access to this as an employee. On this site, you can access important documents and information pertaining to your benefits package. Access to the site is easy. Simply go to rbibenefits.com, hit the client login button on the top right-hand corner of the home page. This will take you to a login page that requests you type in a password. The password is Brady. Thank you for listening to this brief overview of your benefits package. Congratulations and welcome aboard the winning team here at Brady Trucking. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to the HR department at Brady Trucking or call our office here at RBI Benefits on our toll-free line 877-355-8074. We look forward to serving you and hope you have a great day.